Hey everyone, it's Michael, and welcome back to another exciting new video. Today I have with me the Spotify car thing. This is Spotify's trial run for in-car streaming. But is it all that great? Stick around after the intro to find out. So Spotify actually announced the car thing back in early April of this year, and I was super excited when they first announced it, so I hit the gas and joined the waitlist. But they never really said much about it after that. It was actually my fiance who received an email letting me know she was able to purchase one. It arrived about 2 weeks ago, and I finally got a chance to mess around with it. I'll link my initial unboxing of the car thing down below, so you can watch that after this video if you'd like. First things first, let's go over the setup. I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro running the iOS 15 beta. However, the process is the same for an Android device. Note, you'll need at least iOS 14 or Android 8 to use the car thing. Setting up the device was a breeze. You plug the device into your car's outlet, connect your phone to the car thing with Bluetooth, then you connect your phone to your car's sound system with Bluetooth, an aux cable, or a USB cable. This means that as long as your car has at least an aux cord, you can use the car thing. The car thing's charger has two USB-A ports, one for the car thing and one more for another device. The car thing also attaches magnetically to any of the included mounts using a magnetic backpiece. It even includes cable holders to attach to your dashboard with 3M tape to help with cable management and routing. We can then mount the car thing in three different ways: CD mount, dash mount, or vent mount. My 2021 Kia K5 worked best with the vent mount, though it did cover my hazard lights button. Even so, it's nice to have all three options so it will fit any car. You can even connect another phone without having to reset the car thing every time you want to add a new phone. If you have CarPlay and Android Auto already, I think the best way to mount it would be as shown, because you can have full screen maps and full control over Spotify without having to split your screen between Maps and Spotify. Now, onto the interface and actually using the car thing. The first thing I noticed when I opened the box was the dial on the right-hand side of the device. It's made of rubber and it's tactile. This means when you scroll or turn up the volume, it gives you a nice bump and an audible click with each turn. Underneath the dial, there's also a back button. You can also use the 4-inch touchscreen, which is what I think most people end up using anyways, even though the dial feels great to use. You can even ask for a song, album, artist, playlist, station, or podcast using the 4 built-in microphones on the car thing. This is done using your voice with a "Hey Spotify." I tried this in multiple conditions, and the only time it wasn't able to pick up my voice was when I turned my AC up all the way. It also let me know on the device itself by displaying air vent interference detected. Otherwise, it was actually able to pick up my voice pretty well, which is awesome. They have started building Hey Spotify into their mobile app too, so it's a welcome addition for hands-free control of the car thing. On the top, we have 4 buttons and microphones. These buttons can be used for linking to your favorite artists, playlists, stations, and podcasts. Right now, I have mine set to Daft Punk, Joey Valance, Madeon, and Porter Robinson. Most importantly, the device feels fast, fluid, and easy to use. The only time it slows down is if you're spamming actions on the device. I'll leave a link down below for you to sign up and get your own for free. I'll keep my fingers crossed you get one too. There's no official release date yet set for the car thing, but if and when they do release it, the price is very fair. I told my fiance that I think it would be worth it if it was $75. I asked her to check and see if they had any potential price info when she ordered, and she showed me that the MSRP they are aiming for is $79.99. So I think the price is perfect for what you get. In conclusion, as cool as I think the car thing is, I won't be using it in my car, since I have to give it back to my fiance. However, I think the car thing is a fantastic idea and a must-buy for any Spotify subscribers that have a car without CarPlay, Android Auto, or that want to have 2 separate screens in their existing car with CarPlay and Android Auto for full screen maps. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like the video, comment on the video with any thoughts or future products you want to see on here, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, as I plan on having weekly unboxings and reviews from here on out. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Peace.